Hi, my name is Lailatul Kamaria binti Murad and I'm from Group 1. Our topic was given is Shaded Metal Arc Welding SMAW. Arc welding is described as using a welding power supply to create an electric arc between an electrode and the base metal to melt the metal at the welding point. A shaded metal arc welding also known as arc welding. We can call it arc welding or shaded metal arc welding. So, the process of arc welding, an electric arc is generated between a coated electrode and the parent metal. So, the coated electrode carries the electric current to form the arc, produces a gas to control the atmosphere and provide filler metal for the weld bit. In this process can make a uniform bit that weld the metal base metal. So, the power source used is stick power source that provide constant current, maybe either alternating current or direct current. But the best characteristic for arc welding are using direct current. So, I will show you the arc welding terminology, and we can see the base metal as the workpiece. So, we also can see the electrode and the coating. The coating is heavy coating, and the gaseous shield as the protecting gas. And we also can see the arc of the welding. Alright, for next, I will differentiate arc welding machine. So, arc welding has a short and small diameter rod is used as electrode. So, the electrode length is typically restricted to 16 cm. A flux-coated electrode is utilized in sheet metal arc welding process. So, the flux layer is thicker. The flux coating of the electrode disintegrate during welding and provide necessary shielding gas. Next, the flux also produce a slack layer on the weld bit. A short consumable electrode is required to replace frequently. Thus, welding cannot be carried out continuously. This process is not very productive as filler deposition.
Salam sejahtera to my workshop technology teacher, Puan Nur Syakirah binti Tajuddin, and my name is Kitisak Eric Anala Kim Fong, and my number metric is 10 DKM 20F 1001. And today I would like to present and I will explain what is the function of ampere adjustment control. What is amperes mean in welding? Amperes mean the measurement of the amount of electricity flowing past a given point in the conductor per second. And current is another name for amperage. As for information, if the ampere is too low, it will be melted. The material not be melt enough, and if the ampere is too high, the material will be melted excessively, and a hole is often happen, and it will be not nice for our material. And how amperes can be controlled? With this power source, the voltage is set with a knob on the machine, and the amperage is regulated by the wire feed speed of the wire feeder. This is also because with a small change in voltage, there is a very large increase in amperage. Thank you.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Amir Rabi Muhammad Anwar, nombor metrik 10 DKM 20F 1016. Okay, today I will show about basic component of an arc welding machine. There are 5 basic component in arc welding machine. The first is work cable. Work cable is used to connect 2 or more devices, enabling the transfer of electrical signal or power from one device to other device. Second is a electrode cable. The function electrode cable connect to the current from welding machine to electrode, which we use to welding the base adder. Third is electrode holder. Electrode holder is for hold the electrode so we can do welding process easily. Other side, holder to has a function for an electric current to the electrode. Fourth is power supply. Function of power supply or power source are to produce sufficient heat to melt the joint and generate a stable arc and metal transfer. The last is electrode. As a filameter, after the welding process finish, then the electrode will change be weld metal. The electrode has a flux which the function is to protect steel melting when the welding process take place.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Wan Amzal Syahmi bin Husairi. I am from DKM 1A. My matrix number is 10 DKM 20F 1017. In this video, I will tell you 5 types of arc welding machine and the working principle, advantage and disadvantage of direct current arc welding machine, alternating current arc welding machine, integrated AU-UT arc welding machine, the power driven direct current, petrol or diesel arc welding generator, and electric power driven direct current arc welding generator. Okay, so there are 5 types of arc welding machine. There are direct current or DC arc welding machine. Second, the AC or alternating current arc welding machine. Third, integrated AU-UT arc welding machine. Fourth, power driven DC, petrol or diesel arc welding machine. And lastly, the electric motor driven direct current arc welding machine. So, how these machines are working? Direct current arc welding machine, electricity flowing in a constant direction or possessing a voltage with constant polarity, either positive or negative. The alternating current arc welding machine, this machine electricity that switches direction back and forth. Alternating current change its polarity 120 times per second with a 60 Hz current. Third, integrated AUUT arc welding machine is necessary when welding certain metal with certain current, either direct current or alternating current. It is widespread use now. For the power-driven direct current petrol or diesel arc welding generator, this machine can be used in the areas where there is no electricity supply. This machine can be used as long as you have the petrol or the diesel. The electric motor driven direct current arc welding generator, it is auto working gantry. However, all these machines have its own advantages and disadvantages. The advantage of direct current arc welding machine is it is produce smoother output than alternating current arc welding machine because the output is at a constant current level all the time. And its disadvantage is it is cannot be used to weld magnetic metals. Next, alternating current arc welding machine. The advantage of this machine is the reverse polarity or alternating current results in deeper penetration, and its disadvantage is the quality of the weld is not smooth as the direct current arc welding machine. Then, integrated AUUT arc welding machine. Its advantage is can be used both types of current and can be used on many types of steel and welding position. And its disadvantage is it is high cost. For the power driven direct current petrol or diesel arc welding generator, its advantage is it is high efficiency, easier to move, protective frame, and air cooled engine. But last but not least, the electric motor driven DC arc welding generator. This machine advantage is it produce direct current in two options, the polarity of direct and reverse polarity. This machine disadvantage is it is high cost of maintenance. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Raman. I'm from DKM1A. My matric card number is 10DKM20F1009. Today I'd like to present about the basic schematic arc welding machine circuit. This is the final slide for the subtopic. In the slide, there is a picture of a basic schematic arc welding machine circuit. We can use the power source as a AC or DC motor, and in the power source there are two cables wired, which is the first cable is electrode cable and the second cable which is ground cable. The electrode cable is wired from the power source to the electrode holder, and the ground cable is wired from the power source to the workpiece. And electrode and electrode holder. Electrode holder is used to hold the electrode for welding the workpiece. This is the basic schematic arc welding machine circuit, and these are the functions of the machine circuit. Thank you very much for watching.